Hello. For today's video, akong i-share ang amuang banding sa Greek Hills, which is located at Kitaw-Tao, Bukidnon. So it's very accommodating, very convenient, very nice ang foods. Tapos ang place is so cool. So everyone who are interested to visit Kitaw-Tao, Bukidnon, ah, inyong makita ang Greek Hills. So this is the scenario of the Greek Hills, wherein one of our friends from Las Vegas invited us here because she's having her vacation here in the Philippines for 2 weeks. So it's a pleasure now that she gave us little time to spend with her. That's why they or she invited me here. So among uh, we used the car of one of our friends also. Actually, they were my elementary classmates, guys. Uh, I could say that these two individuals were my closest friends in the elementary years. So this girl is from Las Vegas. She is a nurse in Las Vegas and married in Las Vegas too. Oh, this is how Greek Hills looks like. It's very nice, it's very cool, refreshing, stress uh, reliever. So if you are so stressed, you have to visit a Greek Hills so that you can experience the the beauty of God's creation because you can see there lots of mountain. And you know what, guys, there's also a what's this, cable car, the bicycle, this one, the bicycle line. So it's really so nice. You must visit Greek Hills. So we stayed there for 3 to 4 hours, I guess. And you know what, they were convincing me to ride on the bicycle. Bro, I know I can't do it because I'm afraid of heights. But so cool, sometimes we have to fight for our fears, no? So their restaurant is so like very, very, very convenient, and their what's this, personals also are very accommodating, and I like the food. Like they have biryani, salads like that. So nice kayo tanawon ang ang buildings, la like sa sa Greece na mga sa Greece na mga sa tawag ni mga like sa mga buildings pa. Look, so we were enjoying our bonding in this place. So it's one of the unforgettable moment in 2024. So I'm glad to know that despite of the riches, despite of the riches, well, these two classmates of mine, they were already millionaire, no? But you know what? They still have a good heart because we all know, and it's reality that money can change a person. But these two friends of mine, still the same. They were still amiable, sharing, loving, like that. And so funny pa jud, because when we visited this place, it's raining, so we cannot go anywhere. We cannot go too far. So, Greek Hills located on top of the hill. So, overlooking kay siya. Nice kay ang mga flowers, nice kayong ang palibot. So, you will gonna enjoy the fresh air. It's so nice, so cool. So, laag na mo ba mga laag na mo diring dapita. Kay di jud mo magmahay. Nice jud kay siya. So, Muragbi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yung anak ka nice ang Greek Hills. The Feg. From up, we went down to the bicycle area. Look, that string, or you can see this one, the wirings, the wires. Muna ilang bicycle area. So nice jud unta maka-experience og sakay dira pa. But I'm afraid na kabuhion lang ko. Ug basin mag-collapse pa. Right. Oh, cable car, I've already experienced riding on a cable car. Pero I guess mas safe man gud siya kaysa ano o bicycle look. Muna siya bicycle. Oh, hadlok jud siya kay nagpatong rabi na sa sa wire. So we're having fun. Unya busog kayo sa foods. Actually wala ko kahurot sa kong food kay daghan jud kay siya. Ambot pila ilang bayad ato. Nisampa ra ka to guys. Pasampa-sampa ra ta ani. Basta ako mong gi-encourage na you have to visit Greek Hills. Ninjut to siya. Kung daghan pa jud mong money, daghan mong time, pwede mo mag-overnight to. So, that boy is the son of my friend Bud. Si Kyle. Ay, si Ryle. Kuan na siya. Dazzling. Showering. Bugnaw kaayo. Nice kayang place. Init ba kay na siya. Init kay siya nga nag-ulan pud siya. Pero nice jud ang hangin. So, again, this is the Greek Hills located at Kitaw-Taw, Bukidnon. So, kini di akong mga friends. Sila akong closest friends sa elementary pa mi. Oh, daghan kay may experience sa una no nga mga bata pa mi. So, akong i-share nga kaning isa, kining kuan na Las Vegas citizen is sa una elementary mi is bulingiton kay na siya jud, as in bulingiton. Tapos dili ka magkuan ba, wala ka nag-expect nga layo na kay siya nag-uptan karon. Pero when we're looking at our pictures sa elementary days, makakatawa na lang ka kay mag-school na siya, mag-shorter na siya, simple ra jud kayo. Mag-shorter na siya, tapos mag-chinelas. Ingana siya kakuan, ingana siya ka ingana siya sa una elementary pa mi. Tapos si kana pong isa nako nga classmate is gamay gyud na siya sa una, pinakagamay na namo nga classmate. Pinakagamay lawas, pinakagamay height, pero karon pinakadako. Pinakadako na namo siya lawas. Yan niya, yang height more gihapon. Wala jud nagkuan yang height mo ni ang way pauli na siya. So ingana gyud siya ka bukid, ingana siya sagbuton going down na. Then after ning laag na mo sa Greek Hills, nangadto pa ba mig overview. Nindot pud kay lang mga statue dito guys. So, ingani ang among banding last month ni siya nga video. So it's nice pud ba na you have your childhood friend na mabanding pa nimo man ninyo bisag mga tigulang na mo. Anyway, ingani lang food kana ang ilang bulalo na lami kay taste. Ingana ang ilang food nga giserve. So daghan pa, there's a lot of foods pa depende sa inyong i-order. Mo din ni siya akong classmate mo to siya nga sa Las Vegas na nagpuyo. O di ba cool kaayo ang environment. Murag makapawala sa imong problema kadyot pa. Ingana siya. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.
Nag-free up space na ka? Nang-delete naman ka? Yahawayan na tawon ang tigbunet. Layo nagpananaw. Yahaya ning ga-concert na itigkuan ba tigunit. Time lapse na to.
Jutay nga mga sagot. Nag-video ka niya or wa?